We thought we was finna have a hot girl summer. God said you finna have a holy girl summer. I'm tired of y'all thotting and bopping, going about like God said y'all finna sit in the house today. And we sure did sit in the house because what's up, gals? Welcome back to my channel. It's Whit here again with another video. So today I'm going to be showing you my entire Shein purse collection. It has officially been 1 year since I uploaded my very first like Shein related type of haul video on my channel, and I have amassed quite a collection of Shein clothes, purses, and everything. And so I was like, you know what, let me show you guys my purse collection, because who doesn't like a good accessory, you know what I'm saying? So yes, I'm gonna be showing you guys all of that, but before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the bell notification on so that way when I post, you are notified, okay? Also, follow me on Instagram. And lastly, one more thing, sorry, before we get started, I will have everything that I show you guys in this video listed down below in the order you're watching it, because, you know, I don't know, some people watch videos with the audio off, so you can follow along a lot easier. Also, watch the entire video. Even if you have to put me in 2 times the speed, 1.5 the speed, it helps when you guys watch the entire video. Like, I'm trying to grow my channel, and the way YouTube works is they look at watch time. If your watch time's not up, they see people aren't watching the video, then they don't push it out, and then other people don't see it. So it really helps if you guys watch the entire video. So yeah, if I talk too slow for you guys, if I talk too much, whatever it may be, you could just speed the video up. Please watch the whole video. All right, now let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I have quite a bit of purses here. First off with this little small micro one first right here. It looks like this. It is just like, I'm gonna go through these pretty quickly. I'm not gonna sit up here and take forever to just describe them and whatnot, but it looks like this. It's small, it's holographic, it's tiny, can't fit anything really. Next, I have this like, it's what's that word? Like fanny pack, like a fanny pack, but it's like a wallet style, because it's not like that oval type look, but yeah. And it has like a belt that you can put through your belt loops, super cute. Next, I have this right here. It kind of gives like Chanel vibes, but it ain't Chanel, it's Shein. I couldn't even think of a witty little thing. Let me turn off my hot comb. I got my hot comb and my flat iron just sitting here. Everything's smelling like burnt hair up in here. Anyways, it looks like this, you know. Oh my goodness, this has been in here this whole time. Like when I say I don't, oh my gosh, I've been looking for this. Hold up, some on. Ooh, this is cute. This is my Kevin Aquan like lip balm. I cannot find this, and I was just like, I don't lose stuff. Like I'm pretty, if I do say so myself, I feel like I'm pretty responsible, but I don't know where this went. Good to know. But I don't remember ever wearing this purse anywhere, but yeah. Next, I have this purse right here. Oh my gosh, last summer, everybody and their mama had this purse from Shein. Like, this is what drew me in to even want to just start really shopping with Shein. It's kind of like Hermes inspired, like Birkin bag expired. I swear I heard knocking. Is my package here? Let me look at my tracking number, because it says it's out for delivery. I seen the postal lady. Like I know she's on the complex. So it's like, ma'am, why did you drive off with my package? I should have went outside and spoke to her. I really should have went outside and spoke to her. I'm like, ma'am, do you have anything for apartment? You know, let me just go take that off your hands. Anyways, so yeah, this is this purse. Next, I have this one right here. I got this one for free from Shein. It was like one of their little what's the thing called, like it was like a gift with purchase for one of their multiple promotions. It was something that they were doing, but yeah. Ooh, next is this like forest green crocodile type bag. Sorry they all look janky, but I mean Shein, they just be stuffing your stuff, so you know what, whatever. Next, I have this clear bag right here, and ignore the little thing in here, but like this is how I try to keep the shape of it, because these bags literally will get all mushed up, like, oh my goodness. But I have used this bag quite a bit. I love this clear bag. It goes with so many things. You guys have seen this in one of my most recent Shein hauls, this little like clueless type bag. Well, that's the vibes it gives me, you know. It has like a little chain here, and it's like Barbie pink. Okay, this bag right here, gorgeous. Like, look at it. I want to open this for you guys. Let me show you guys this. There's nothing spectacular that in here actually, so I don't know why I just made it seem like there's something to see. But this is what it looks like, and I just love it because of the handle. Like, I love how like wide it is. And then also this bag is not black. It's looking black on camera, and it can trick your eyes. When you get in person, this is actually like a navy blue color, and then this is black. And it's this I can't even think what the material this is, but make sure my hair not looking crazy. Yeah, this is that bag. Next is this like fire neon orange bag. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this on so many people's Shein hauls, and I got it too. And it's just bright, it's neon, it's like out there in your face. You know, I really, because a lot of the stuff I bought towards the end of last year. So I was like, okay, you know, I'm gonna pull this stuff out for the summer. And then, you know, Big Rona came around and said, you gonna stay in the house. We thought we was finna have a hot girl summer. God said you finna have a holy girl summer. I'm tired of y'all thotting and bopping, going about, like God said y'all finna sit in the house today. And we sure did sit in the house, because next I have this one right here. This is like a, it's yet again like a fanny pack. So it's kind of tricky, but because it's super, super long. So if you have like, how do I explain this? It's too wide for the waist. So you could wear it crossbody, or you can get like really creative and like kind of like double loop it to make it like go around the waist. But yeah, this is really small too. Next is this bag right here, and I recently hauled this too. Ooh, what happened to my hair? I recently hauled this as well too. It kind of gives me the vibes of like a really, really long wallet, and I love that. Like, I love that it's short, but it's very long, and has like two handles, and it's so cute. I like that color so much that I got this one as well too. So this bag is actually pretty big, you guys. I don't know why I leaned to that side. You guys, this is messing up my lighting so bad. Oh my gosh. Okay, take a quick look. All right, so I'm gonna talk about it real quick. So this bag is really, really big. Like, not big, 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 but like it's big. And yeah. Ooh, that should be a cute thumbnail. Ooh, that's a cute little thumbnail. Hold up. Next is this Houndstooth bag right here. And this is probably one of the prettiest bags that I've ever gotten from Shein. I have not worn it yet. I actually haven't worn a lot of these bags. This is y'all's fault, okay? Because I be buying this stuff because I want it. And then also, you guys like this type of video, so this is your fault, okay? Don't be talking about me. But anyways, this is the bag right here, and it is so pretty. I love that it's like gold, like I love that the complementary color to this is gold and not silver. Is that makes sense of what I'm trying to articulate myself, but it's not quite coming out, but you know what I mean. Next, I got this, yet again, another fanny pack. Oh, I thought I broke it. I was like, no. Okay, I didn't break it. Anyways, it looks like this yet again. It's like a fanny pack. You will put this through your belt loop and then just kind of wear it there. Or you don't have to wear it with like jeans or like pants. You can definitely like wear a cute little dress and still put this on, or like a cute little jumper. This will be really cute. And I love that little, you know, what animal is this? This is, I was gonna say lion, but it's not. It's not a lion. It's some sort of exotic cat. Then I have this bag right here, and this is a dupe for the Scott Box bag by Louis Vuitton. That's what I was like, what is the name of that bag when I had hauled this in one of my previous Shein hauls? I couldn't remember the name of it, but yeah, this is that, and I love it. It's beautiful. I need to fix the straps because I have it all messed up. Yeah, ladies. Next, I have this janky looking bag right here. Yet again, Shein. Listen, if you're gonna order bags from Shein, just know if it is made out of this material, just know that what you see on the website, that picture, your bag's not gonna look like that. It's gonna look nothing like the sort, okay? It's gonna look like this, all right? But it's still cute. All right, next I have this bag right here, which is kind of like an inspiration or a dupe for like the Gucci bags, their little horseshoe, little thingy. But yeah, it looks like this. It's this clear, not clear, rice colored bag. Yeah. Then I have this. This is probably my most used, most worn bag from Shein. Like, oh my gosh, how did this happen? You got, see, that's what you get. Yes, this stuff is cheap, but look at this. My bag is like ripping. This is the bag out of all of them that I use all the time. And I think it's because This stuff has been sitting in this box. I've been meaning to do this video since like June and I just never did it. And it was at the bottom and like it's literally ripping. Oh my gosh, like I freaking love this bag so much. It goes with just about everything. I'm so hurt. I'm gonna have to buy another one or something because I love this white bag, but I'm so bummed that this happened. And then I have this one right here. Yet again, it's another like crossbody, or if you want to, you can like wrap it around your waist bag. It's this really intense like neon lime color. Like this color is hella bright in person. And then lastly, this bag right here. Oh my goodness. I actually need to pull this out because I want to start wearing this bag more because I love the fact that it's like clear, but it has a little pouch. So you can keep like, you know, your unmentionables in here. Oh, and then you can put the rest of your stuff in here, you know. All right, you guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shein has some really good stuff, okay? I will have everything linked down below, so you can check that out if you want to buy any of the stuff. If you don't, that's cool. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow your girl on IG. And until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.